Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Kingston Harbor. We are looking at the construction of the K2 apartments. Now this building will be 10 floors and it overlooks the Kingston Harbor. We are between Raytown and the JUTC depot, or basically between Port Royal Street and the intersection and Windward Road. So this is a $1 billion development. It's going to cost 2.1 billion and it's being done by Sherburne Limited. Sherburne Limited will soon be bringing its 2.1 billion residential development Kingston 2 apartments in Bournemouth Gardens, Kingston to market. The 10-story residence will feature 119 units ranging from studios to two-bedroom apartments. Now, the development will comprise of 54 studios, which are 374 square feet. It will have 28 one-bedroom units. Each one will be 738 square feet, and 35 two-bedroom units at 827 square feet. And it will have two-bedroom super units on the ninth floor at 1,209 square feet, and all with waterfront views of the Kingston Harbor. The amenities include a gated community, 150 parking spaces, a ground floor lobby and lounge, roof terrace, a fitness center, a pool, entertainment deck, a backup generator, and water storage tanks. The contractor is BYD Construction, and the developments are to be finished in the fourth quarter of 2025. Now the units start at 104,600 US. So I'm assuming that will be for the studio. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a